Hey, I'm FLW Straight Talk Pro JT Kenny. Want to let you guys know I got a little web series coming out called Circuit Breaker. It's going to be on flwoutdoors.com. You're going to kind of see the backside of professional bass fishing, if you will. You're going to see the ins and outs, what happens after the tournament once we get off stage and stop smiling, and you guys are really going to get to see the real me, the real behind the scenes bass fishing, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. flwoutdoors.com, Circuit Breaker.